What's up, guys? We got a little treat for you here today. We just got in a brand new 2026 Jayco Eagle 265 front kitchen. This floor plan is something that I know everybody's been talking about, wanting to do it, and Jayco made huge changes on this floor plan, and I'm going to get into it right now with you guys. But first things first, up front, we still have our full cap that's up there in the windshield. We have the full windshield that's inside there. Place for our 2 batteries up front, as you see. Then on the side over here, this is one thing that they changed from the last year's to this year's. We have full pass-through storage all the way through to the other side. And then out here you have your Bluetooth controller for a radio, TV hookup that's there, motion light, and then also you have your Nuvo H2O water filtration system. This coach also has the auto leveling on it. So all your Eagles are going to have the auto leveling on these guys. So it's nice we'll be able to get in there, turn everything on, and ready to go. Then you have your outside speakers. These speakers here are going to be from that Bluetooth controller that's in that front storage compartment. So you can have speakers on the outside playing one thing, and then speakers on the inside playing something else. Then underneath here we have our blue light and the little switch for it's there. So it makes it nice and easy for us to turn that light on and off. And then walking back to the back, we got our J port that's going to be for our outside griddle. Then you're going to have your outside shower that's here. Then flip this guy up. You have your outside refrigerator. Lights inside here, which we have our blue light. Then we'll have our outside light that's there. And then another 110 outlet, USB and USB port that's down there in the bottom as well. Also, I'm going to step back and show you this. Full length awning. So I'm at the back of the camper. That goes all the way up past the front door. So you got about a 20-foot awning on this guy. So it's nice and big to cover you guys. Tankless water heater on the back of it. We have our ladder to go on the back as well. We changed our lights. We went vertical lights here. So it's nice and bright for us that's there. Then walking on this side, one thing they changed on this floor plan, they gave us a storage that's back underneath the bed. So this is all boxed off from your inside. So this is underneath of our back bed. And when we get inside, you'll see that when we go inside there. Then, walking down this way, we're gonna have our outside compartment that's here. So more storage that's there. Then we have our water compartment up front. So we housed it all inside here. So now it's nice and warm. If we do decide to go out camping in the wintertime, we have all of our water hookups that's inside there. Solar panel controllers, auto leveling controller there. So pretty simple stuff on the outside, but a lot of similarities that we've had for forever on our Jaycos. And this is a Jayco 5th wheel floor plan that we put into a travel trailer. Now let's take a walk on the inside. And this is where Jayco did some huge changes. I know on our 274 last time that everybody always talked, we wish they would do this, we wish they would do that, blah, 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 all that good stuff. Look no further, here we are. So now when we walk inside, before we had the huge wall that was right here at the front door, because that was our bathroom with our fireplace, our TV and everything. Now it's just a huge closet. So tons of storage that's there for us. Now you have your TV above the countertop. Then you're going to have your 2 bar stools at this huge countertop. Solid stone countertops all on the inside. They did a great job with the coloring on this guy here. Then 30-inch over-the-range microwave, GE profile there. GE profile stove and oven as well. And then they make this little drawer down here the exact same color as our stove and oven. So therefore, when you look at it, it looks like one big, huge stove and oven. Those are little things that Jayco does, that makes them, stand out a little bit more from everybody else, because that, they marry that opposed to just putting a drawer front that's down there. But then now look at all this countertop space. I'm gonna step back here. Look at all this countertop space. You have this huge countertop space that goes all the way over. Then you have on the other side of the stove, all the way across the side of the camp, the whole width of the camper. That's 8 foot wide. Then you're gonna have that wood block that's all the way across the front up there as well. So you want countertop space, this is it. Then above it, we're gonna have all of our storage that's above the kitchen area that's there. Then we put the refrigerator in our slide out. So now you have the 12 volt GE profile refrigerator. Open this guy up. Boom. Nice and big. Then this one we ordered with the triple recliners. So all three of those seats are recliners. Then you have the two little tables that are on the end of it that's there. So therefore you have your little TV trays that are there. But then also, if you notice, little cubby holes. It's nice because now you can put magazines there, you can put your remote controls there, so therefore you don't have to remember, well, where do we put it? Put a phone charger there, glasses, whatnot, you know? But then you have your switch for your lights above you, 110 outlet, USB and USB ports that are there. Then you got two huge windows in the slide out. So the big window there, and then this window here. Walking into the bathroom, or the bedroom, this is where this floor plan just totally changed. So now you have a full dresser. You got 6 drawers down there, 2 huge cabinets down there. Then you got this area that'll open up. If you wanted to, take that little plate off there, plug in your washer dryer. So if you wanted to go washer dryer in here, you can. It's nice because we still have a dresser, but then there's one thing that we kind of lacked was our bathroom and bedroom on this guy. Now I got a full king size bed, windows on either side, lights above it, and then there's USB ports and USB ports in the top up there. Those little black circles, that's what those guys are there. But then also I'm still putting 110 outlets next to the bed. So therefore, if you are camping with power, plug everything in. CPAP machines, plug it in next to it. We got the bed pushed all the way to one side. I mean, you can see I got 8 inches of space that's here, so I can center that mattress, put my CPAP on the floor, and I'm good to go. So that's a huge change that they changed there. But then the biggest thing was the bathroom. Huge countertop. So you got huge countertop. It's about 6 foot long, double bowl sink, huge mirror, tons of storage. So you got 2 drawers that are there, 2 cabinets that are down below there, toilet paper holders already on the wall. One thing that Jayco's always done is put them toilet paper holders in there. Toilet, then huge linen closet back here in the back. And then below that is going to be your furnace. Then we got the huge walk-in shower. It's 30 by 48, I believe, is the dimensions that are on this guy. So I can't get in here and show you how big this is, but this shower is huge. And then also one thing that they've taken away from their North Points and Pinnacles is we put the backer in here for one of those shower flip down seats. So if you wanted to, we have them in stock here at Apache. So if you want to grab one, tell us, hey, Adam, we want it installed. We will. But then, like I was saying, Jayco, that's the one thing that they've always done is they will always listen to their customers when, they think that, I wish you would do this, or I wish you would do that. Jayco listens to that. And this just right here shows you that they listen to it because, we have the 274 that was before this. And it was a great floor plan. I love the kitchen and everything like that. But, a lot of people talked about that bathroom, being tight. And it was, where now it's not. We took that slide out. We pushed that back bed slide further forward in the camper, which then allowed us to do the rear bathroom in that. And then now we got a huge bedroom. We got a huge bathroom. And this kitchen, I mean, they outdid themselves on this one with this kitchen. So, but yeah, if you guys have any questions, comments, if you'd like to see anything else on these guys, feel free to, throw them down in the comments. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe button, but then also come up to Apache and see why we say, go one better, go Apache Village. Until next time, guys, we'll see you soon.